Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. It is the weekend, and I bet y'all are really happy that it is the weekend. Not just because we get away from the markets, but also because we get away from the markets. How about that? That's profound. So let's run through this. We're taking a look at the top 5-7 groups for you. Computer Software Enterprise, number one group. We always know the fact. Leading groups produce leading stocks. Not always, but you stack the deck in your favor. That's what we do. Here's the leading stocks in this group. We own some of these. You probably do too. This is the top earnings per share rank and relative strength stocks ranked. And these are the stocks that are percent off high. There may be some overlap here. You know, something that's in this up here, like Paycom is here and it's here. Here's the leading stocks. Earnings per share rank, relative strength rank combined. And the ones percent off high. Group rank down here, this is important. 6 months ago, 73. 3 months ago, 4. Last week, 1. This week, 1. It's staying strong. Here's group rank 2. Energy Solar. Went up on heavy volume Thursday, dropped on heavy volume but less volume, and it's staying strong. Group rank 2, here's leading stocks in the group. Just no leading groups, leading stocks. Group rank 3, finance credit cards. Flopping around here a little bit. Take a look at this chart. Look at that bar. Not the strongest bar because it closed in the bottom half of its range, but it's still an up bar. Also, notice this. Relative strength leading to new high ground. Leading stocks in the group. Here you go. Here's 2 max list stocks, by the way, Visa and MasterCard. Group rank 4, food meat products. People got to eat. Here they are. By the way, this one's really helped lift the group recently, Beyond Meat. And you can see it's the closest to new highs. We're in this, and I'm going to show you the chart in just a minute, okay? On that, I'll make a note on that for you, so you can see why we're in. Here you go. Let's continue onward. And by the way, the group's strong. Group rank 4. Group rank 5, building residential commercial. What catches your eyes? This isn't that bad of a bar, but then another down bar. Relative strength still strong. Leading stocks in the group. Got a little distribution in there, but not really bad. And again, leading stocks in the group. And it's hanging strong. I mean, look at that. You can't beat that. From 184 to 115 to 9 to 5. There's a song about that. Finance, mortgage services, just a hair below the 50-day. Little bit of distribution in there. It slipped just a little bit in rank, but it's still in the top 10 groups. Here's the leading stocks in the group. Group rank 7, computer software security. I go slow enough that if you want to take a screenshot of it, you can. Computer software security. What catches your eye? Ooh, fell below the 50-day. Got some volume coming into it also. Here's the leading stocks in the group. We definitely know CyberArk from before. Okta's come in there, okay? So we'll see what happens there. Here's group rank 8. I'll give it to you. Computer software enterprises. That gap down on heavy volume. Look at that volume. That ain't mom and dad selling. Lost a little bit. Here's the leading stocks in the group. And then I said I was going to do something for you. I'm going to do it. Here we go. Beyond. BYND. New issue. New issue. Comes out, runs up, pulls back, runs up on good volume, by the way. Pulls back on less volume. You see this? And then it bounces up here on less volume, lifting off this top, but again, it's first pullback on an IPO, follows through the next day on good volume. We bought more above this bar here. Runs up, sells some in its strength, pulls back on decreasing volume, and then starts to pick back up on increasing volume. You can say, well, that's all really sweet. Well, it's in a leading group, but look, now it doesn't have earnings, but look at the revenue growth. That 175% increase, but there's something more important, folks. Sequential revenue numbers, 12.8 million in sales, 17.4, 26.3, 31.5. Stocks moved up, relative strengths leading it up. Now, am I saying, oh, buy it? Good Lord, no, it's extended. But there's a good lesson here that I wanted to just share with you. Good lesson. Good to study price and volume all the time. looking for clean and simple entries. That's all. Please, and by the way, don't chase this up here, please. Yeah, it could keep running, but it could pull. The market's weird. You always have to be careful. Always buy at the right spot, because then you will have a very tight stop and a smaller loss. Picture if you buy this today at 104. What the heck, folks? This stock could fall all the way back to 90 right here and still not look that bad, correct? Picture this. Next week, the stock's right there. You go, well, it's got higher lows. That's fine. Yeah, in the meantime, you're down 14 points. Always try to buy at the right spot. Can't stress that enough. Low risk entries. Anyway, wanted to share this with you. There's the top 7, 8 groups for you, just so you know what's going on, and I thank you.